Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss again a very important case on allegation of bogus purchases and addition made for those bogus purchases. The issue before Delhi ITAT bench was that if the purchases has been made from some parties and those parties do not exist at their addresses, their GST numbers have been cancelled, they are not filing their income tax returns, and if the CIT appeal after assessing officer order by making an addition of 25% of the alleged bogus purchases, restrict that addition up to 1.39%. So whether that restriction of the addition up to 1.39% is justified. This issue has been taken up by Delhi ITAT bench in the case of Income Tax Officer versus Bhavya Pipe Industry, and this case is reported in 127 ITR Tribunal Short Note 71, and the date of the judgment is 14th October 2025. The present case relates to the assessment year 22-23, and the assessee is a manufacturer of polyvinyl chloride pipes. The case of the assessee was taken up for scrutiny for the purpose of examination of the genuineness of the creditors. During the assessment proceedings, the assessing officer issued notices under section 133 subsection 6 to the 11 parties. Out of this, only 2 parties appeared before the assessing officer and filed their submissions, and the remaining 9 parties didn't comply with the notices under section 133 subsection 6. The assessing officer also made inquiries and found that out of those known 9 parties, the 6 parties have never filed their income tax returns, and the 2 parties have filed the returns only up to the assessment year 18-19. The verification unit of the income tax department make further verifications, and they found that the 9 parties were not available at their addresses, and out of 9 parties except 1, the GST number of all the parties have been cancelled. So the assessing officer made a moderate addition of 25% of the alleged bogus purchases. When this matter was before the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal rightly observed in the CIT appeal order that the creditors are not genuine, the assessee is not able to substantiate its purchases, but even then the CIT appeal gave a very welcome relief to the assessee by restricting the addition of the assessee up to 1.39%, probably the GP of the assessee. The revenue moved to the tribunal, and when the matter was before the tribunal said that in the present case there is no denying the fact that the assessee has grossly failed to substantiate the purchases made by the assessee, because out of the 11 parties, 9 parties have not complied with the notices. They are not at their addresses. Their GST number have been cancelled. They are not filing their income tax returns. So, if the sales have not been doubted, in that case, the CIT appeal order by restricting the addition up to 1.39% is justified. In the present case, the CIT appeal has also reduced the disallowance made by the assessing officer for the carriage inward. For that also, the tribunal said that the order of the CIT appeal is justified. Friends, this is a very welcome judgment, because in case of allegation of bogus purchases, it has been seen that in spite of the various judgments from the various tribunals, from various high courts and even the Supreme Court, the assessing officers are making the huge addition of 100%, even in some cases, no relief is being given by the CIT appeals, even without appreciating the fact that the sales are not doubted, because it may happen that the assessee has made the purchases, but the purchases bills have been arranged from some other parties. So there are the purchases, but some billing has been taken by the assessee just for the sake that the parties from whom they are purchasing the goods, they are not registered under GST department. So the revenue is not doubting the purchases, basically the revenue is doubting the persons from those purchases are made. So in that case, if the addition is restricted to the GP rate, then it is a fair play of justice. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Income Tax Officer versus Bhavya Pipe Industry, and this case is reported in 127 ITR Tribunal, short note 71, and the date of the judgment is 14th October 2025. Thank you, friends.